Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Getting to Know Glenholme. This afternoon we have one of our favorite things happening. We do this every month. It's the Student of the Month ceremony. Great time to celebrate student accomplishments here on campus. We actually recognize 3 students every month. One for doing outstanding work over in the schoolhouse. That's our academic Student of the Month. We have another student that gets recognized for excellence in the boarding program. And then lastly, there's our core value Student of the Month, the student that it just embodies our 5 values here on campus of respect, responsibility, kindness, fairness, and honesty. Folks, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed that. It's another great Student of the Month day here at Glenholme. See you soon. Thanks for joining us, folks. Take care.